So hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the counting techniques. Okay. So in counting techniques na dira si FCP or that's the fundamental counting principle. Next one will be the factorial notation, then permutation and combination. Okay, ito na siya discuss ng isa-isa. Okay. So first one will be the FCP or the fundamental counting principle. So somebody should pasawasan ni that can be used to determine the number of possible outcomes when there are two or more characteristics. Okay, so sinaana. Ika later ha. Okay, for example, class na problem. Si Lisa daw brought three different pairs of pants and four shirts in a cab. How many combinations of a shirts and a pair of pants can she choose from to wear? So, kumbaga, di ba, for example, may mga kailangan nakitulong ka different kinds of pants, but yung upat ka t-shirt. So, kung pila, usa ka combination area. Like, for example, or usay ma-form ni mo na mga sanina or usay mga possible ni mga combination. Okay? So let's name the shirts like as shirts ABC o ABC on D. So itong upat ka shirts. Tapos ang iyang pants kay tulo, so ibutang is pants 1, 2, 3. So let us now enumerate the possible combination that Lisa can wear. So that would be the possible is there are 12 possible combination. So we found the answer by drawing a diagram. But what if there are large numbers given in the problem? Say 179 pair of fans at 83 pairs. So kani siya na class is dili mura siya i-multiply ka so possible na idot si kabuok nga possible outcome or possible na combination atong upat ka shirts and tulo ka pants. So you multiply that one. Okay, how about the class is kanang mga bigger na like this one oh. Na kay 179 ka pair of pants and 83 ka shirts. So how so mo ato ninyo? An independent event can occur in n ways. Another independent event can occur in n ways and another in three ways, then the total number of ways that all events can occur simultaneously is this one. Pasabot na class is you need to multiply. Okay? N times P. Butang na to. Kay duha raman itong kayo na diba? Which is the pants and shirt. So, butang na to. Pants and shirt. Kanang media kasi is what if na lang kumi another nga idugang. For example, pants, shirts. How about, shoes? So, pwede na siya. Pag tulo na inyong anang event. Pag duhara, there are m times n. Pero pag tulo mo ng m times n times p. So, yun ang multiplex mo ang total combination. Okay? So, in the given problem gaina, so that's 4 times 3, that's equal to 12. Okay, next. How about this one? When buying a PC system, you have the choice of three models of the basic unit. So, ito yung butang nga B1, B2, B3. Two models of keyboard, that's K1 and K2. Two models of printer, that's P1 and P2. How many distinct system can be purchased? So, multiply lang class. 3 times 2 times 2, that's 12. Okay? Next, how about this one? Let's start with a simple example. Student is to roll a die and flip coin. So, how many possible will there be? So, class, di ba sa coins, kaya di ba na tail and head. Sa die, pila may ano? That's one, two, three, four, five, and six. So how many possible outcomes will there be? Hmm. So si one, sa kay T, si two kay T, ano, part na siya, 1, T, 2, T, 3, 3, 4, T, 5, T, 6, T, X1, wala, so therefore, you have 12 outcomes. 12 outcomes kanito. Ipon na ninyo class for 6 times 2. equal to ano 6. Ang kaning 6 kay mo tong roll a die. And I want to 6 then. Kaning 2 flipping a coin which is tail and head which is 1 and 2. 6 times 2 is 12 half cups. Okay? So today for a college interview, Robert has to choose what to wear from the following. You have four slacks, three shirts, two shoes, and five ties. How many possible outfit does he have to choose from? So we multiply lang class. 4 times 3 times 2 times 5, that's 120. A combination nga pwede mahimo sa iya. Yeah. Okay. So, na siya. So, sorry ko man kasi sa face-to-face na akong i-discuss. Okay, so ina na lang ang answer sa principles of counting, I mean fundamental counting principle. In the next video class, I will discuss the factorial notation. So, diha lang sa karon. So, I hope you learn about the fundamentals of sa principles. Okay? Fundamentals counting principle. Okay, so thank you and God bless everyone.